You are made up of two parts. You're made up of your mind and you're made up of your body. Now, as I said earlier, your mind is a mental interface navigating design. Now, what is your body? Another word for body is matter, right? Another word for body is matter. So I'm going to replace body with matter. All right. In science, biology, chemistry, that word is used a lot. What is matter? Matter, this is material atoms transforming through energy resonance. All right. Material atoms transforming through energy resonance. So what does that mean? This is a material. Your body is a material atom. It's transforming through energy resonance. You have rhythm. Your body vibrates, all right? Everything around you vibrates. Every single matter, from the couch to the TV screen to everything, is vibrating. And your mind is navigating those mental interface. It's navigating the design through your mental interface. Why? The result of that is seeing solid, liquid, being able to see color, touch, feel through material atoms that are transforming energy resonance. So your own universe is made up of mind and matter.